Well, using the JPC chief, PC Chako's silence on A. Raja's request for deposition before the Joint Parliamentary Committee, the BJP has raked up the 2G case again. Yashwant Sinha has shot off a letter to the Prime Minister questioning the functioning of the JPC, even demanding that the PM face the panel looking into the scam.
A. Raja still awaiting a nod from the JPC to depose before it. BJP leader Yashwant Sinha has alleged that the JPC on 2G is failing in its duty.
I think it's a very serious omission that the chairman of the JPC is trying to make in not inviting Mr. Raja to depose before the JPC. Mr. Raja is right in casting aspersions on the intentions of the JPC.
Raising the pitch, Yashwant Sinha even demanding that the Prime Minister should offer himself to be questioned by the JPC.
Yashwant Sinha has shot off a letter to the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh asking him to depose before the Joint Parliamentary Committee that was set up specifically to look into the 2G scam. Apart from Prime Minister's deposition, Yashwant Sinha has questioned that why A. Raja has still not been called to appear before the JPC after his repeated willingness and the letters that he has written himself to PC Chako, the JPC chairperson.
But the government is refusing to be drawn into the functioning of the JPC or the questions raised by Yashwant Sinha.
If he thinks that he is right in doing it outside JPC, it's really his call. But I would see that it would be wrong on my part if I was to say anything about a JPC decision that can only take place inside the JPC with all the members cooperating, voting and deciding.
Both the BJP and left have been backing Raja's plea to be allowed to depose before the JPC. But so far, the panel led by PC Chako has made no move to invite him. With Tavleen in New Delhi, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.